Old videos often flicker and blur, especially during fast motion. That's due to interlace scanning, a flaw in many classic videos. In this video, I'll explain what deinterlacing is, why it matters, and how to use VidHex Now, a tool that makes it fast and easy. Deinterlacing is a method for converting interlaced video into progressive video. This means turning video captured or broadcast using interlace scanning, which displays alternating lines, into a clearer, smoother image without flickering or stripes. Interlaced video works by transmitting a frame, a complete image, into fields, odd-numbered lines and even-numbered lines. The odd lines are shown first, followed by the even ones. This happens so quickly that your eyes perceive it as a full image. However, on modern displays or when viewed at higher resolution, those split fields become noticeable, especially during fast motion. Deinterlacing merges these two fields into one complete progressive frame, where all the lines are shown at the same time. Deinterlacing is used in many areas. In live sports and news, it keeps fast motion smooth and clear. For old DVD and SD videos, it's essential for making them look good on modern screens. Streaming platforms like Netflix or YouTube often apply it automatically. And in film restoration, deinterlacing plays a key role in recovering detail and bringing old footage back to life. But deinterlacing isn't always easy. One major issue is that what affects the image quality of interlaced video isn't just the image itself. Temporal resolution plays a big role too. Some videos use a technique called PSF, progressive segmented frames, which takes 30 frames per second and splits them into 60 fields. This setup can usually be reconstructed into clean, full resolution images. But for true 60-field interlaced video, each field captures a unique moment in time, which effectively cuts the vertical resolution in half. This makes deinterlacing more complex. This is where VidHex comes in. With VidHex Deinterlacing and smart frame interpolation, it reconstructs motion details and fills in missing image information. The result: old videos brought back to life with sharper detail, more natural color, and smoother playback. Next, I'll walk you through the basic steps of using VidHex. The whole process is super easy even if you're a total beginner. Just follow along with me. 1. Open VidHex and click the click or drag file here button at the top of the home page to upload your file. Or scroll to the bottom of the page and click frame interpolation to jump straight into the editing interface. 2. Once the video is uploaded, you'll enter the editor, choose the appropriate frame interpolation model, then select your desired output resolution, like 4K, from the bottom right. 3. When everything is set, click preview to check the result. If you're happy with the effect, hit export full video at the bottom right to export the video. That's it, just a few simple steps to complete your deinterlacing restoration. Try VidHex's Deinterlacing now if you're working with old footage, DVD discs, TV recordings, or any video with motion artifacts. VidHex's Deinterlacing is your go-to tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and support. Got old footage or specific needs? Leave a comment below or follow us for more tutorials and video restoration tips.